Question number 5A starts the grammar part in language paper. It is fill in the blank with appropriate forms of verb. Then question number 2, we have fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of words, that means preposition or phrasal verbs. Third, we have joining, and fourth, that is D, 5D, we have do as directed. That part is very essential. If you score properly in that very part, you will get better marks in this paper. Now, do as directed does not mean anything special. All those things that we have done before, just like direct to indirect, active to passive, use of conditionals, question tags, use of different conjunctions. So, these things will come into play. We have to use these things properly. If we have proper knowledge of these things, then easily we can cope up with this particular part. So, let us work hard on this very topic and let us try to score as much as possible. This video is going to be one audio visual one, so kindly pay attention and go through this one properly. So first we'll start with as soon as. The question is, as soon as did the teacher enter the class, then the students clapped. Or as soon as the teacher entered the class, comma, the students clapped. This is one format with as soon as. Now you can see as soon as, then what is used? Did. And then what is used? One noun. Then V1. You can use then, you can use comma. Now we have to convert this one into no sooner. Now while converting this one into no sooner, we have to follow certain rules. What are the rules? First of all, then will remain same. We have to use had. No sooner had the teacher entered the class, then the student clapped. We have used then here. So the rule is no sooner plus had plus V3 then V2. As soon as plus D plus V1. Then you have to use then V1. In case of present tense, there is a little difference. You have to be little careful. As soon as the teacher enters the class, then he is greeted. Now, how will you change this one? You have to change this one into no sooner. Now, in this case, keep it in mind, don't use had. No sooner does the teacher enter the class, than he is greeted. You can use no sooner has the teacher entered the class, than he is greeted. So there will be no problem in doing it. Just practice it twice or thrice. As soon as did the teacher enter the class, then the student clapped. Or as soon as the teacher entered the class, comma, the student clapped. We have to use hardly or scarcely. Format is same for both hardly and scarcely. Hardly had the teacher entered the class when the students clapped. Scarcely had the teacher entered the class when the student clapped. So what we have used here, we have used had and we used when. Format is very easy. We have to use hardly or scarcely, then you have to use had, so you have to use V3, then you have to use when and V2. So be careful while following this one. Practice more for perfection. I was not a bad doctor. Add a question tag. So our present topic is question tag. Tag question turn a statement into question. They are often used for checking information that we think we know is true. Tag questions are made using an auxiliary verb, be or have, and a subject pronoun, I, you, she, maybe they. This is very important in ICSE, it often comes. Now how will you change it? A positive statement is followed by a negative question tag. If the statement is positive, then the tag will be negative. Jack is from Spain. Positive statement is not he. Negative tag. Mary can speak English, can't she? A negative statement is followed by a positive question tag. They are not funny, are they? He should not say things like that, should he? So the rule is, if the statement is positive, tag will be negative. And if the tag is negative, that statement is going to be positive. So it alters. Positive statement, negative tag. Negative statement, positive tag. A statement will be given in exam and you will be asked to convert that one into question tag. So while tagging this one, be careful in following this particular rule, this positive and negative rule. Up. Now few more example we'll have. You should try these things at home. You come from China, number 1. Number 2, he had to leave at 7 o'clock. 3, she has not got a dog. 4, is not snowing. Jenny was hoping to come. It stopped raining. He had better come on time. We have done this before. You don't like football. And the last one. Try to answer these things and send me in WhatsApp. Now neither nor. He doesn't like basketball. He doesn't like cricket. There is a spelling mistake. Join using neither nor. Neither he likes basketball nor cricket. You may think it is correct, but not. It is entirely wrong. We cannot start like this. There should be a specific format that is to be followed. We can start with neither in such a way. We can start, but there is a specific rule. Then how should we write? The answer should be like this one. He neither likes basketball nor cricket. So then we are using neither. Subject, then we are using neither, then we are using verb. So be careful about this one, children. We can start with neither too in this way. Neither does he like basketball nor cricket. Neither does he like basketball nor cricket. We need to follow same formation for not only but also. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.